everyone, my name is Cam Ridenauer. I'm with Forest River Impression and I'm here today to show you our brand new floor plan, the 320FL. Let's go take a look. Here inside the 320FL now, this is going to be the heart of your unit with it being a front living. Now check this out. We've got a lift up TV that's also with a 50-inch Furyon TV. We also have LED lighting up here, so it's going to give that nice glow effect for you and that wow factor when you step in this unit. As you can see here, as this TV goes up, we also have the Furyon Soundbar that will have the 2 zones to watch the game inside and listen to some music while you're out there. We also have the 30-inch fireplace, which again will heat up your unit pretty well, so you're not running off of that propane. On either side of the TV, we do have both cabinets on both sides that will have up and below. So a bunch of storage for DVDs or whatever you need to put up there with the entertainment center. One thing I did want to touch on is we do have opposing slides up front here in the front living to make it super spacious for you. With trifold sofas, both pull out, so you'll actually have 2 beds that pull out up in this front living area. We also do have our theater seating right here, which is fully reclinable. And one of the things about this unit is it's actually going to bring in a lot of natural light. So you're actually going to get panoramic windows, which are all opening and standard in all of our units, as well as the natural light coming in for our automotive windshield. As we head down from the front living onto the kitchen area, as you can see here, we do have our standard floating steps, which will actually provide more storage underneath for shoes or whatever you need to put under there. Also in your kitchen, I wanted to touch on, we do have our chalkboard floor to ceiling pantry. So one of the nice things about having the chalkboard is gives the kids something to do, you know, design it however you'd like. And like I mentioned, it's ceiling to floor pantry with removable panels on in here. And we do have our standard storage boxes in here to make it super easy to store stuff in there. As we touch on some of the appliances, we do have a Furyon microwave with a Furyon cooktop, as well as stove, and a pantry underneath here that can actually fit pots and pans that matches your whole other setup. We do have a bunch of storage in here as well for any, cups or whatever you need to put in here. As we move on to our refrigerator, it's going to match your microwave and your cooktop. It's going to be our Furyon 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. Across from those appliances, we do come over here to the kitchen area where we do have tons of storage and tons of cabinetry to store whatever you need in all your kitchen appliances. We also do have our undermount farmhouse sink with our pull down faucet, which will be super nice for cleaning everything and getting everything out of the way. It also comes with a drying rack. One of the unique features to this floor plan is actually our breakfast bar here. Now what's nice about this is it does come with 2 standard bar stools, and it'll provide more room for you and your significant other to eat dinner or lunch or breakfast. And one of the nice things too, if you don't want to do that, you can also use it for more countertop space when you're preparing dinner or doing dishes. Also in the kitchen, we do have our AC unit, which is a 15K AC by Coleman. This is going to help really keep everything chill throughout the unit. As we look to the rear wall of the kitchen, we provide tons of storage for you guys. We've got 3 cabinets up top, as well as 3 cabinets below for all your kitchen appliances and anything you need to store in there. Tons of space for you guys to do what you want. Here in the shower, I wanted to show you guys that there's a ton of headroom in here. That also does include a skylight. One of the biggest features about this shower is I wanted to show you guys the stability that we have in here. As you can see, this thing is super sturdy. It's going to hold you no matter what. I wanted to touch on the porcelain toilet as well. Above the porcelain toilet, we do have towel racks for you guys. As we head into the sink with our black fixtures, we will have above that our medicine cabinet and some storage down below. As we move on to the bedroom, I want to touch on the bed. It's a 60 by 80 true queen. And also underneath, it provides storage. So as you can see here, this is plywood. We also have a finished look, so you're not going to see any raw wood showing. This bedroom has the most storage on any of our units. We've got storage up top, we've got storage on the sides, we've even got storage below. Now one of the big things you'll see here as well, if you need a CPAP machine, we do provide outlets for that and enough space to put one in there. As we move on into the closet, one of the huge things you'll see that you don't see in a lot of mid-profile fifth wheels is our stackable washer dryer prep. Now these drawers can come out, slide your stackable washer dryer prep in there, and you're good to go. Directly above the bed, I wanted to mention the AC unit that we have. It's a 13.5 Coleman AC unit that's going to keep you nice and cold. As we move on to the outside of the unit, one thing that I wanted to point out on the front cap is that we do have the automotive windshield. What that does is, I mentioned it earlier, but it's going to provide a lot of natural light coming in for your front living area. One of the different things that we do here at Forest River Impression is we do add our gel coat front cap. What that does is it's going to help not oxidize and fade like some of the other front caps you might see in the industry. And it looks really impressive. As we move along here, we do have our pass-through storage. Now, one of the great things about this is it does come with a battery disconnect, so if you need to shut anything off, you can do that super easily. We also have a puck light in here, which is going to brighten everything up for you, make sure you see. We also have really nice thicker doors on this side, which is also going to be your slam latch doors, so it's super easy to close, don't have to worry about anything. As we move along to the entry steps, we do have the MORryde step above. Now, one of the great features on here that a lot of people rave about is that actually when you're on uneven ground, all you do is you slide this clip, push it in, push it out, and you're right where you need to be. If you guys have any questions or want to see more floor plans, please go to our website at forshiverinc.com/impression.